Hi, assalamu alaikum, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from, or depends on the time you'll be watching this video. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new, my name is Safi Haloo from East Africa, Kenya. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much. So today I'm again here in our village kitchen. So I'm going to prepare the best meal, my favorite, the mixture of corn and beans. So keep watching the video till the end. I will be cooking using jiko. So this is the water. So I'm going to, this is the corn. My hands are clean. I just wash them. I'm removing these things. This is the green beans or soya beans. So I'm now adding. Let's add together and let it boil together because the maize is soft. So we are mixing beans and corn together to boil. So we leave it to boil. Let's just cover it. So it's ready. Now I'll start frying. I have onions here, capsicum and tomatoes or tomatoes. I also have carrot and Irish potatoes. So let's now start. This is chili. So let me add. Let me now add tomatoes. Let me add salt. So let me now add carrot and potatoes. Let me add this soup from the corn and beans. I will leave for some more minutes. The aroma is something else. Oh my God. Let me show you inside. We now add our mixture of corn and beans. It's now ready to serve. Even the cat is smelling the aroma. Let me now serve. So it's ready. The meal is ready. It's very yummy, very organic, very delicious. It's now ready. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. Very yummy, very organic, delicious. See? See? Have you seen? Father of Deshan, you really asked for it when I was peeling the the corns. So it's ready, it's ready. You're all welcomed. See our cat. Meow. You want the food? We call it Githeri here in Africa. Yes, we call it Githeri. Very delicious food here in our village. So that's how we prepare our cornmeal. Very yummy, very delicious, very organic. So thank you so much for watching till the end. Subscribe, like, and share if you haven't. So that is it, my people. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment in the comment section. So that is it for today. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.